Hello everyone, this is Kasturi and you are watching SST Buzz. In today's session, we will get idea about outcome of democracy part 2. What exactly are there in today's session? Just let's see. First one is their economic growth and development. Democracy में economic growth and development कहाँ तक है वो हम जानेंगे. Second is there which area shows equality and which not. वो हम जानेंगे. Now the third one, despite of social diversity, how we can get true essence of outcome of democracy. वो हम जानेंगे. And now last one, that how dignity and freedom of the citizen would be maintained. So without taking much time, let's start. तो चलो फर्स्ट हम जान लेते हैं about economic growth that comes always in 3-mark question. Now that symbol is showing that very clearly democratic country के जो economic condition है वो lower than the dictatorship. That is the first point and one of the factor. But different other factors are there behind economic development. वो क्या क्या है वो हम जान लेते हैं. फर्स्ट वन पॉपुलेशन. क्यों? क्योंकि पर कैपिटा डिपेंड्स ऑन पॉपुलेशन. वी कैन कैलकुलेट द टोटल इनकम डिवाइडेड बाय पॉपुलेशन. सो ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन दैट मीन्स पर कैपिटा इनकम कम होंगे. So that is the first factor. Now the second is their global situation, how much we are exporting and how much we are importing. So economic countries, economic growth depends on that also. Last point is their cooperation with other countries. The more good relationship with other countries, the more benefit in trade. So that's why we can get better opportunity. So that's why these are the reason behind economic development. तो अब ये हम देखेंगे कि डेमोक्रेसी में economic growth is lesser than dictatorship. But then also we prefer democracy only. Why? In this form of government we are getting chance to share our view. Even here our dignity is maintained. So that's why though economic growth is not so much, but then also we prefer democracy only. चलो अब देख लेते हैं reduction of inequality and poverty. Democracy and equality both are synonymous. क्यों? क्योंकि democracy means equality must be there. But here equality that is in political sense. One person, one vote. Even any person can join directly, indirectly that political organization. They have every right. So here we can find out that political equality, but inequality based on economic sector. So as a citizen of democratic government, democratic country, what is our expectation? Our expectation is there कि whatever national income would be there, we are means that must be distributed among the people, among the citizen. But reality is something else. Reality क्या है? With the help of that balance, you can find it very clearly. The number of rich people are less over here, and poor people are more over here. Where the rich people enjoying their wealth very nicely. On the other hand, poor people are facing difficulties to collect their daily commodities, basic amenities. And you would be more surprised when you will get to know the maximum voter are there from the poor section. तो जो सेक्शन से ज़्यादा वोट मिल रहा है उनको तो उतना उनके तरफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी बनता है, बट समवेयर दे आर लैगिंग फ्रॉम द डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट. नाउ वेरी क्विकली वी आर गोइंग टू गेट आइडिया अबाउट अकोमोडेशन ऑफ सोशल डाइवर्सिटी. सोशल डाइवर्सिटी है बट फिर भी हाउ वी कैन गेट द ट्रू एसेंस ऑफ आउटकम ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. So here 2 points are there and that is most important as a 3-mark question. So first one is that majority needs the work to work with the minority. मेजॉरिटी बेस पे तो गवर्नमेंट बन गया, बट आफ्टरवर्ड्स दे नीड टू थिंक फॉर द माइनॉरिटी, अदरवाइज क्या हो जाएगा इन श्रीलंका, जैसा क्या है ना श्रीलंकन तमिल failed alienated, the same things would be there here also. So that's why majority needs to think about minority. First point. Now the second point, rule by the majority doesn't become the rule by the majority community. क्यों? क्योंकि आज now this year one party has got majority, they are governing. Now next election might be another party will win the election and they are going to govern. So here that's why the moment majority will get chance to govern, on that time they need to think about the whole country, not that majority community. उनके community means their caste, religion, तो उनके बारे में नहीं सोचना है, सबके बारे में सोचेंगे तो डेफिनेटली दे आर गोइंग टू गेट ऑल्सो. सो दिस टू पॉइंट्स इफ वी आर गोइंग थ्रू, देन डेफिनेटली आउटकम ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी वुड बी वेरी एक्टिव एंड वी कैन गेट द ट्रू एसेंस ऑफ आउटकम ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. चलो अब देख लेते हैं डिग्निटी एंड फ्रीडम ऑफ द सिटीजन, हाउ इट वुड बी मेंटेन. हियर यू कैन फाइंड आउट द women and the discriminated caste. These two sections, they need intense care. Intense care means nothing else. They want equality. They should be treated equally. Women को ये जैसा कि like men, women should get the equal opportunity. The same one, the common caste, whatever they are getting, the equal opportunity should be given to the discriminated caste. Then only there's all this backward section, they can stand upright, they can stand with the others, and then only thus that success of democracy. Then now one more question comes, just people are complaining is itself a testimony to the success of democracy. तो एक्चुअली डेमोक्रेसी द फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऐसे ही है कि वी हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन. हम अगर ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं तो डेमोक्रेसी फुलफिल करते हैं, फिर हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन और कुछ होता है, फिर डेमोक्रेसी उसे फुलफिल करते हैं, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम और कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है. तो एक्चुअली हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन ही डेमोक्रेसी को और भी ज़्यादा सक्सेस करते हैं. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ आवर डिमांड, बिकॉज ऑफ आवर एक्सपेक्टेशन, डेमोक्रेसी ऑलवेज एक के बाद एक टेस्ट का मुकाबला करते हैं, एक के बाद एक एग्जामिनेशन का मुकाबला करते हैं. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट डेमोक्रेसी गेट सक्सेस. सो today this much. I hope you have understood very clearly. If you have any doubt, query, feel free to share with me. Thank you so much for watching. Tata, bye bye.